Hello guys, good day to you. How you all doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make money on NS. Firstly, let me tell you what is NS. What is the meaning of NS? NS is a new cryptocurrency that will be launched next month. So you have to make this opportunity the best one you can. See, anybody that's registered to this cryptocurrency between now and next month will have a lot of benefits. So what we do now is that this link here, the link will be in the description below. So you check the description for the link. So this is the link. After you click on the link like this. So after you click on the link, it will direct you to the NS website. This is the website like this. So after the page has opened, you scroll down a little bit, then you click on airdrop. After you click on airdrop, it will direct you to this page. You will see this page like this. So you go to your blockchain wallet or Coinbase wallet or any other cryptocurrency wallet you are using. So you go there to copy your ETH address, your Ethereum address. So after you copy your Ethereum address, you come and paste it here. Note, listen to what I'm saying. Note, is not BTC address, it's not Bitcoin address. It's only ETH address, your Ethereum address, not BTC address. So after you copy your Ethereum address, you come and paste it on here. You paste it here in this place. So let me copy my own Ethereum address. I've already pasted my Ethereum address here. This is it. Then I copied it. So come back here. Then I come and paste my Ethereum address to this place like this. So this is it. I've pasted the address. So that I click on submit. After you click on submit, it will take you to this place. This means you have successfully registered to this NS program. So I have already registered my own. So I've already referred 2 people already. So this is it. You can see it's a referred 2. So my balance is now 30 NS. So for each referral, so if you refer a single person, they are going to give you 10 NS bonus. So if you register immediately, they will give you 10 NS for registering. Then after you register, you keep on referring. If you refer one person, they will give you 10 NS. After another, if you refer another person, 10 NS again. So I've already referred 2 people. So you can now see my balance here. My balance is now 30 NS. So I have to refer 2 or 3 more people to have nothing less than 50 NS. So because the minimum withdrawal for this NS is 50 NS, and 10 NS is equivalent to $1,000. Can you hear that? 10 NS is equivalent to $1,000, which means 50 NS will be equivalent to $5,000. So you can now see how much you are going to make on this website without stressing yourself, without doing much job or any other things. So after if you now have 50 NS, which is the minimum withdrawal, you click on this withdraw. You can see I have only 30 NS, though I can't. That's the reason why I can't withdraw for now. So you can see it's a minimum withdrawal is 50 NS. Keep referring. So if you have the 50 NS, which is the minimum withdrawal, so you click on the withdraw. If you click on the withdraw, it will direct you to a page and it will pop up something like withdraw to your ATH address. So you click on that to withdraw your NS coin to the Ethereum address. If you have 50 NS, if you are withdrawing 50 NS, that is, you are withdrawing $5,000 into your Ethereum address. So after you withdraw it into your Ethereum address, you go to your wallet, is whether blockchain wallets or Coinbase wallets. You go there to convert it again to your Bitcoin. You convert that ATH to Bitcoin. So after you've converted it to Bitcoin, so you have to sell it out, sell the Bitcoin out to have your money in your pocket. So that's all. That's it. So you can now see how much you can make on this website without stressing yourself, without doing much things. So this is real and legit. And mind you, this is going to close very soon, so you have to do it on time so you can make your money before time goes. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting video, and click on subscribe, like my video, and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.